Welcome. In this video, we will demonstrate how to issue stock directly from a test wagon in a rail siding depot for a multi-commodity rake. This process is applicable when the outward rail movement has already been completed and the rake has arrived at a rail siding destination. The issue will be performed against an approved release order, and system reports such as DDR, DSR, and DSI will be updated accordingly. Log in as Railhead in charge or Manager Depot. Navigate to Movement by Rail, Rake Placement. Select Movement Type as Inward. Choose the rake movement number, enter the placement time and required details, and click Submit. Next, navigate to Movement by Rail, Assign Control or Test Wagon. Select Movement Type as Inward and choose the rake movement number. Select the wagon to be marked as Test Wagon and click Submit. Success message confirms Test Wagon marked successfully. Navigate to Movement by Rail, Wagon Verification. Select the rake movement number. If logged in as manager, acknowledge the ICCS role pop-up and continue. Update moisture content for the wagons and click Submit. Log in as Gate in charge. Navigate to Sales, Create Token. Select the first commodity RO number from the selection box, enter the truck number, fill required details, and click Submit. Now select another RO number to create token for the second commodity, enter the truck number, fill required details, and click Submit. Log in as Weighbridge in charge. Navigate to Sales, in Weight. Select the token number for the first commodity, enter empty weight of the truck, and click Submit. Now, select the second token number for the second commodity, enter empty weight of the truck, and click Submit. Log in as Manager Depot. Navigate to Movement by Rail, Direct Issue from Test Wagon. Select the rake movement number and token number for the first commodity. Choose the wagon number, enter the number of bags issuing now, and click Submit. Perform the same steps again for the second commodity, assigning the wagon number and number of bags. Log in as Weighbridge in charge. Navigate to Sales, Out Weight. Select the token number, enter gross weight, and click Submit. Select the second token number for the second commodity, enter gross weight of the truck loaded with the second commodity, and click Submit. Navigate to Sales, Generate Truck Chit. Select the token and click Submit. Generate the truck chit for the second commodity. Select the token and click Submit. Log in as Gate in charge. Navigate to Sales, Exit Gate Pass. Select the token number, verify truck chit, and click Submit. Now, select the second commodity token number, verify truck chit, and click Submit. Log in as Shed in charge. Navigate to Movement by Rail, Stacking from non-test wagons. Select the rake movement number and wagon number. Select the first commodity, enter number of bags under stack details, and click Submit. Now, perform the same steps for the second commodity. Repeat the above verification and marking steps if another commodity wagon needs to be processed. Log in as Manager Depot. Navigate to Reports, Daily Reports, DSI. Select from Date to Date, Commodity, Variety, Crop Year, and Shed. Click View Report. Log in as ICCS team member or Manager Depot. Navigate to Movement by Rail, Rake Loading or Unloading Acknowledgement. Select movement type as inward and the rake movement number. Click Submit. Log in as Manager Depot. Navigate to Movement by Rail, Rake Release. Select movement type as inward, choose the rake movement number, enter release time, and click Submit. Finally, navigate to Reports, Daily Reports, DSR. Select required filters and click View Report. The daily statement of receipts should display correct data. Navigate to Sheds and Stacks. Select the specific shed and stack to verify updated stack activity. The direct issue from test wagon for multi-commodity rake at rail siding has been successfully completed. Stock balances, reports, and stack activities have been updated accurately in the system. Thank you.